Section P, students from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines Laboratory High School. I'll teach you one of our lessons in our mathematics class. So just watch and listen to learn more. And we will start right now. The first thing to do is to know about the definition of terms. A ratio is a relationship between two numbers that defines the quantity of the first in comparison to the second. For example, in the class of grade 7 Ps, we have 19 girls and there are 21 boys. We can write the ratio of girls to boys as 19:21. The first quantity of a ratio is called antecedent, and the second quantity of a ratio is called consequent. Ratios can be also written in fractional form. For example, we have 2/3. And to separate quantities, we use a colon. It's like this. A proportion can tell if two ratios or fractions are equal. Example, 3:5, 6:10, or 3/5 and 6:10. How to tell if the ratios are proportional? Step 1. Write the ratios in fractional form. And then, step 2. Cross-multiply each ratio to ratio. Note the term used for this. Example, 5 and 6 are means, 3 and 10 are extreme. Equals 30. And 6 times 5 equals 30. This shows that these ratios are proportional. Simplifying ratios. Divide both sides by the greatest common factor. Example, 15:25. The greatest common factor of these quantities is 5. Write the ratios in fractional form. 15/5, 25/5. Divide them into a simplified ratio. And you need to turn the quotients into a simplified ratio. For this example, the simplified ratio would be 3:5. Sometimes you can find unknown quantities, generally known as x. You can find the unknown terms by simply doing these steps. We will have an example to help you with this. We have 3:6 and x is to 16. To find a term with a specific quantity, we should express them into fractions to understand faster. Then we will cross-multiply the quantities. In this example, we should get 3 multiplied by 16 equals to 48, and 6 multiplied by x equals to 6. And we have direct and inverse proportions, and the constant of proportionality. And now to start off with direct proportions. And we have direct and indirect proportions. Direct proportions. As one amount increases, another amount increases at the same rate. Example, you are paid 500 pesos every 2 hours. If you were to be paid every 4 hours, then your income will be 1,000 pesos. And this could be written as income directly proportional to working hours, as this symbol is a symbol for directly proportional. Tama. Constant of proportionality. The value that relates the two amounts. Example, A is directionally proportional to B. A equals to 7 and B equals to 56. Find the constant of proportionality. We could write this as A equals CB, where C is the constant of proportionality. Then we should put what we know, 56 equals C times 7. Solve by dividing both sides the factor. So, constant of proportionality, or in this example, C is 8. We can also answer Other questions if we know the constant of proportionality in a problem. Next is an indirect proportion. Indirect proportions, when one value decreases, the other value increases at the same rate. World problem. On eating 5 cups of noodles inside the cafeteria. If she ate 15 cups of noodles, how much time will Sky have spent on eating cup noodles? It's 5 cup noodles. And there's no minutes to 15 cup noodles. Now we will write these in fractional forms because multiplied. 12 multiplied by 50 equals to 180. We need to divide this by 5 cup noodles. The quotient will be 36. So Sky will have spent 36 minutes on eating. A refrigerator truck can hold 580 bottles of juice. A delivery person can deliver 4 bottles of juice every 2 minutes. So how many bottles can be delivered in 2 minutes? How long will it take for the delivery person to empty the truck? It looks like it's not really easy. So we should set up the proportion of bottles to juice to delivery time. 4 bottles to 2 minutes, and we should disregard the quantity of 580 for a while. The second ratio should be the number of bottles to 9 minutes. So we should just cross multiply them. We divide 36 by 3. The answer is 80. Then replace the second ratio and use x to represent the time it takes to deliver 500 bottles of juice to send it down to answer the second question. Second ratio and use x to represent the time it takes to deliver 580 bottles of juice to answer the second question. Cross multiply again. Divide the product to 580 which is 1,000 and the number 60 by 12. Then get 290 which is equivalent to 4 hours of waiting. So now we know that it takes 80 bottles to be delivered in 9 minutes and takes 4 hours and 50 minutes to deliver 480. This jewelry shop sells in only 3 types: earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. The jewelry types are in the ratio of 4 to 5, 4 is to 5 is to 6. If the shop has 20 earrings, how many jewelries does the shop sell? Write the specific term as the consequent for both necklaces and bracelets. Necklaces and earrings would be 5 is to 4 and x is to 20. So bracelets and earrings would be 6 is to 4 and x is to 20. We should cross multiply both equations. So necklaces and earrings would be 25. Bracelets and earrings answer is 30. The answers to the 30 earrings. So 20 plus 25 plus 30 equals to 75. So that you learned a lot from our video because this is the end. Yeah. And stay tuned for more videos. We hope to get more projects like this. So thank you, goodbye.